To achieve true wealth and success, it is crucial to identify and let go of certain elements that may hinder your progress. These three factors, which I will share with you, are key to your journey towards long-term success and fulfillment. Eliminate excessive drinking. Excessive drinking can have significant negative impacts on various aspects of your life. Alcohol impairs cognitive function, disrupts sleep patterns, and often leads to irrational decision-making. By abstaining from alcohol or moderating your consumption, you can maintain mental clarity, improve focus and productivity, and make sound choices. Additionally, excessive drinking can hinder your physical well-being, affect your energy levels, and interfere with your ability to pursue your goals. By eliminating this habit, you create space for personal growth, increased self-discipline, and improved overall well-being. Prioritize personal growth over serious relationships. While relationships are important, focusing primarily on personal growth during your formative years can lay a solid foundation for long-term success. By investing time and effort in developing your physical, mental, and emotional well-being, you can become the best version of yourself. This entails nurturing your physical health through exercise and proper nutrition, expanding your knowledge and skills through education and continuous learning, and cultivating emotional intelligence and resilience. Prioritizing personal growth allows you to acquire valuable life skills, enhance your confidence, and gain a deep understanding of yourself and your aspirations. It positions you for greater opportunities and accomplishments later in life, and empowers you to make informed decisions about your relationships when the time is right. Avoid the trap of keeping up appearances. In today's society, there is often pressure to project an extravagant lifestyle and accumulate material possessions to impress others. However, this can lead to financial instability and hinder the accumulation of true wealth. Instead, adopt a mindset of financial prudence and live within your means. Focus on building genuine wealth by saving and investing wisely, rather than succumbing to the allure of conspicuous consumption. By making informed financial decisions, setting realistic financial goals, and developing a long-term financial plan, you lay the groundwork for sustainable wealth and success. This approach allows you to have greater financial freedom, pursue meaningful experiences, and create a secure future for yourself. It is important to remember that achieving true wealth and success is a journey that spans several years, if not decades. It requires discipline, perseverance, and a commitment to personal growth. By eliminating excessive drinking, prioritizing personal development, and avoiding the trap of materialism, you position yourself for sustained success and fulfillment. Embrace these principles, stay focused on your goals, and continue working diligently towards creating the life you envision. With dedication and determination, you have the potential to accomplish great things. I'm here to support you every step of the way. Best of luck on your journey towards true wealth and success.